Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use a spatial wallpaper on iPhone. So in here, what you'll have to do is simply make sure that your phone is running on iOS 26 or later. Then you'll have to go to your settings. From settings, make sure to go scroll down and click on General. Right here, we would like, of course, to go and click on Software Update, and if you don't have the latest iOS, make sure to go and update it to that. So for you, once you do so, you will have to set your spatial wallpaper. Just long press. So now what you'll have to do, once you check that you have the latest version of iOS, because if you didn't have it, you will not be able to do it. So you can either just go to your lock screen and long press, or scroll down from the top to the bottom until you find or open this notification center basically. Here, just again long press on the screen. And as you can see, you'll be able to click on customize if you want to customize this. We don't care about that. What we'll have to do is simply, let me just go back in here, and click on the plus button. So what you'll have to do and look for is simply a picture of a selfie or something that you can notice that it will be moving on 3D. So as an example, it's totally up to you. Even an example like this icon of this like Earth, it will work as well if you want to. So let me just go here and click on this. So as you can see now, this is our like screen. You can go and click on add, but as you can see, this is already like a little bit spatial, but it's not the spatial example that we are looking for. Normally, if you have the iOS 26, you'll find the button at the bottom. It's basically an icon located to the 3 dots on the left. If you go and click on that, it will analyze the photo for a couple of seconds, and then the 3D or the spatial should keep working by its own. And of course, an example, you can always just customize the effects as an example. You'll be able to add some depth or motion settings, and you can add some widgets without losing the 3D effect. And you can switch between focus modes with spatial wallpapers. You can also use your own photos as an example, which will even make it much better as an example. So yeah, unfortunately, I couldn't show you like the exact thing, but it is like that. It's very actually simple. It's just a button that you'll have to press and the left of the 3 dots. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.